the Find and Label page in your packet and read those directions. The first thing you're going to do is label your x-axis. Your x is right here. You will mark right here. And your y-axis, your y goes up and down, so you'd mark y right here. Next, you're going to find and label your quadrants. I already labeled quadrant 1, and then you go counterclockwise until you get to quadrant 4 right here. Next, you're going to put the numbers on your x and y axes. This way and this way go positive, so that quadrant 1 is completely positive. This way and this way go negative, so that quadrant 3 is completely negative. You can go in increments of 2s or increments of 1s or increments of 5s. It's completely up to you. Like, for example, on my paper right here, I showed you with my x's, I went by 2s. I personally like that because I can see what every part on the grid is without taking too long to number everything. Next, we're going to find and label our points. I have one example point for you labeled EX right here. So the example point was 5, 3. 5 was at the X, so we find 5. Then we find 3 at the Y, and here's the point where it meets, and it's labeled EX for example point. And then for example A, for example, we have 3, 8, so we find 3 in the X, 8 in the Y, this is where it meets, and then we label it A. After you're done with everything, you're going to go to your answer sheet. It should be in a folder at your table, and you're going to compare your answers to what you see in the answer sheet and make any corrections as needed.